Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Samsung Galaxy A35. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app Code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now tap on whatever you want to in this pop-up and click on your device's display. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of this Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files you wish to transfer. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got it and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Select while using or only this time and finally point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!